Hello everyone, today we are going to go over how you can create an emergency communication tree using DialMyCalls. Once you have logged into your DialMyCalls account, the first thing you will want to do is add in all of the contacts that will be a part of your emergency communication tree. Click on Contacts to get started. You are able to add contacts to your account by typing them out one by one, copying and pasting a list of phone numbers, or by uploading an Excel spreadsheet. Once you've added your contacts, you can click on Groups to create and manage contact groups. This is a great way to keep all of your contacts organized. The next thing you will want to do is create pre-made messages to send out to your emergency tree. Click on Saved Messages, and then you can create a recording to send out as a phone call, and you can also create a text message template to send out as well. Once you have recorded your messages, go back to your dashboard and then click on Broadcast and New Broadcast. Since this is an emergency alert, click on Phone Call, Text Message, and Email to ensure everyone receives your important message. Click Next to continue. Click on Groups to select the contacts that you'd like your message to go to. Once you've selected your contacts, click Next. You will now want to select the phone number that will be used as the caller ID when you send out your emergency phone call. Click Next to continue. Select the recording that you previously made and click Next to continue. From the drop-down menu, select the phone number that will be used to send out your text message. Then you will want to select the text message template you created earlier and click Next to continue. The email option is free, so it will automatically populate the text message that you are sending out. Click Next to continue. Name your broadcast so that you can easily find the detail report and view the results. Click Next to continue. Go over all the details of your broadcast, and if everything looks good, click on Confirm and Send, and then click Yes. Your emergency alert will now be sent to all the contacts you selected via phone call, text message, and email. Go back to your dashboard and you will now see the emergency alerts listed under completed broadcasts. Click any of the emergency alerts to view the detailed report, which will show every contact that received your message and the result for each. That's it. You have now learned how to use DialMyCalls to create an emergency communication tree. Have a great day. Thank you for watching. If you have any additional questions, please feel free to contact us via toll-free number at 800-928-2086. Our email, which is support@dialmycalls.com, or via live chat 7 days a week.